Hello guys, welcome back to Toolbox tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create stunning perspective shadow effect in Canva in easy step-by-step tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's go. So first of all, what we want to do, we want to select some template or some photo. All right, let's imagine this guy. So we select the guy, or we can select elements if you want a more full tutorial, and just type in person. And now we have photo of it. You select your photo, which you uploaded it or took it from the elements. You remove the background in the top. After that, you go to edit it. You go to do tone, select mono, select highlights, select black color, and here in the shadows also select black. As you can see, you have here a picture of a guy completely shadow. So yeah, here you have a guy with complete shadow. What more extra trick you can do it, you can again remove background, a little bit resize it. So let's do it like this and move this stuff out the way. So yeah, and let's do it like this, do it like this, and we can do it like this. So in the end, the picture looks like this. So have shadow, you have a lot of imagination to use. Canva lets you do a lot of sort of things. So again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time.